Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making Butterscotch Marshmallow Chews. This is an easy and delicious candy that takes just 4 ingredients. So let's get started. Take an 8x8 baking pan and line it with parchment paper, and leave enough hanging over the edge to use as handles to lift the candy out, and then set it aside. In a large saucepan, add a half a cup of butter, 48 large marshmallows, and 1 tablespoon of water. Cook this over low heat, stirring nearly constantly until everything is melted and the mixture is smooth. Then add 1 11-ounce package of butterscotch morsels. Stir this until it's melted, and this may take some muscle because the mixture is really thick. Then pour the mixture into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Now chill this in the refrigerator for several hours or preferably overnight. Lift the candy out of the pan and cut it into 1 inch wide by 2 inch long pieces. Then wrap each one in wax paper, being sure to twist the ends. And here they are, Butterscotch Marshmallow Chews. And be sure to store these in the refrigerator, and they can also be frozen. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Take an 8x8 until it's melted and it's smooth. And they also can be frozen. Wait a minute. Butterscotch Marshmallow Chews. Wait a minute.